2001 GMC Sierra, 5.3 liter V8, all decked out, really nice, really clean truck, freshly painted. This is what it sounds like before. Way too quiet. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 85. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna change it up. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful truck, custom paint. This paint cost them around $7 grand to paint it, with painted in stripes. Look at that. So it ain't no joke. Really beautiful truck. Got a nice stance to it, not too high, not too low. I like when people fix their older trucks like that. Anyways, let me show you guys what we did. So it's got a factory converter there, wires into a single there, then 3-inch pipe continues, and then what we installed on it is a new muffler out. It's called FLOWCHASER by DTI. There it is right there. It's like Black Widow design on the inside, with the welds showing on the outside. Here's the part number on it, 930402. There'll be a link in the description for it. And they come in all different variations, guys. They come in this variation with a single in, dual out. They come in this variation, offset, and then offset center. This one's gonna be the center dual right there. Here's the part number on it for you guys, 930402. Cool design, comes with I don't have any stickers. I put them on the wall of stickers already. But yeah, they're supposed to be like competing with Black Widow.
What's up, bro? What, bro? Sup, bro? Take a swing, bro. Right here, bro.
Perforated dual side baffles for minimal restriction and aggressive sound. Ooh la la.
Yes! No! Ooh la la! Ooh la la! Ooh la la!
Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, right there, and continues into some sexy quad tips that there'll be a link in the description for them. There and there. And here's the part number on it, right there. 1670 BC by Natami. Natami black chrome tips out the back. And those tailpipes are mandrel bent, guys. We get them pre-done already, mandrel bent. So they're exact flow all the way through. True 2 1/4 all the way through. Right there, came out clean. There's a stock muffler, and there's the stock tailpipe. And my good guy, Alfonso's ready to take it, scrap them away, as you guys can see. So Alfonso's our man with the master plan. See, he collects all the mufflers from us and takes them and scrap. Ready? Here we go. Oh, he's smiling. You like it? Yeah. He likes it. FLOWCHASER. That's a clean sound. Here's sound decibels. Right at 105. Oh, it's got a nice pop to it too. Very nice. Son's been watching us on YouTube and he's like, bring it here. They'll hook you up. So we hooked him up. Yeah, truck. I like it. let you guys hear it on the inside. Way too quiet. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 85. All right, guys, stay tuned. Ready? Here we go. He's smiling. You like it? Yeah. He likes it. FLOWCHASER. That's a clean sound. Here's sound decibels. Right at 105. Oh, it's got a nice pop to it too. Very nice. But check out this truck, guys. It's cool. Suicide doors. Because you know what? Why not? Good looking truck. And it's really clean inside too. Look at that. For a 200,000 mile truck. Wow. Very nice. What do you guys think of that? It's clean. I like them like this. Old but gold, like they say. Yeah, very nice. I love it. Appreciate you guys bringing it in. Thank you, man. FLOWCHASER. Enjoy, guys.